BCH, we start with 1 hour chart. We want to see how we can look for trade. First of all, we have been looking for buy and the price tag the first target, which is 709, but it couldn't even break the first target, but it couldn't take the second one. Right now, whoever get the trade, they should take out the trade because mostly we can expect the price to drop similar to what we have here. Okay. Now, if we refer to the indicators, we cannot look for the divergence and even here. Okay. Now we want to see what's the next and how we can look for trade. In this case, we move to higher time frame. We want to see what we have based on daily chart. The only thing is based on daily chart, we can expect to price consolidate here for a longer time before we get the reversal. All right. And rather than that, we don't have anything to discuss. If I move to forward chart, if refer to our analysis, we mentioned that, I mean, in my last analysis, we mentioned we're looking for this one. If this one tend to a correction in relative to this, mostly we can expect to get one more drop. That's why we mentioned if we wants to look for buying for long term, we prefer the price give us one more drop with the breakout of the previous low. Then any reversal from there, we can look for buying. This is what we're looking for. All right. It doesn't mean the price cannot continue from here. We're looking for the best option. All right. Now we want to see how we can look for trade. If we move to 1 hour chart, and right now, mostly we can look for sell from here in relative to this. We can put our stop loss above the stop. And we can expect at least to get one more drop similar to what we have here. Then later on, we want to see whether the price can continue and retest the previous top, or this one can turn to a flat for one move up. That means if we want to look for buy, let this one drop some more. Then any reversal from there we can look for. Because if we get a drop, then we can confirm how deep it can go. And for right now, we can look at this one. If we get any sell for short term by putting our entry below here and a stop loss above this stop, we can look for short term. But we should know short term sell. If we put our entry below here, what we want the price sharply break and continue. If the price tag we see is not moving within the first or second hours, we take out the trade. And if the price start to drop as a corrective, even if the price tag, mostly we are not going to look for trade. That means we shouldn't take the trade. Anyway, we just follow the chart. And right now we want to see whether we can get one more drop similar to what we have here or not. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share.